Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If your vehicle has 500,000 miles, it is time for you to replace the crankcase ventilation filter. And replacing this filter can save you a lot of trouble, and you may have a light that actually came on to let you know that you need to change it. But if you've reached those miles, change this filter regardless. It can save you a lot of trouble. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. First thing I like to do, I like to actually make sure that we blow off all the dirt, because you don't want any dirt inside of here. And next we need a 8mm socket with a 3/8 ratchet. I believe I have one here somewhere. And just make sure you keep up with all your bolts. Just want to disconnect the hose that goes in the back, the clamp. Move that over to the side. Then we're going to lift right up on it. There we go. Let's take off the filler cap here. You need to take that off. We're going to lift right on up. Again, that's why I like to blow, because you don't want any dirt to actually get down in there. So the only thing we have to do, this is the filter, and we just want to pour this filter up. I just stick my finger in it and see if I can just, there we go. That's what the hole comes in handy for, your finger. And just pour right up on it. There you go. And make sure we don't get anything inside of here. And you just want to make sure your gasket is good to go. And if you feel like you need another gasket, order one from Cummins. And hopefully it's not on back order. And I just want to show you what the new filter looks like. Just the filter inside here, inside this canister. And what I like to do, I like to put some oil around the O-rings to help it to actually pop in, and to make sure it's definitely in there without damaging the O-rings. I like to make sure the O-rings have no interference as far as being installed. And what I like to do is take a rag and just come along here and just make sure that the gasket is actually clean. Again, make sure you get no dirt inside of this unit. It's very important. It wouldn't hurt to power wash before you even put this on here. before you even take it off, I mean. So that looks good. Just want to make sure there's nothing down here. Just a little paint. So we're going to pop this new filter right back in where the old one came out. Perfect. Now I just want to, I like to actually, good time to actually clean up. You can put this back on and that's no problem. But I want to take time to actually clean this. Like I said, this is not something that you have to do. It's just the way I work. Next, I like to just blow it off. Just make sure it's cleaned out. And like I said, it's not something that is necessary, but it's just something that I like to do. And we just put our cover right back on. Put our hose back into place. Since our clamp seems like it wants to dance around. So basically all you need is pliers for your clamp, which I'm doing right now. And you need a 8mm deep well and 3/8 ratchet with an extension, and you should be good to go. I just like to go back and forth until I work my way on the outside as far as tightening down the bolts. And you don't have to get them too tight. They felt like they want no more than about 20, 25 foot-pounds. The only thing you have to do is just crank up your vehicle. Just make sure you have no leaks. I feel pretty certain you will not. I don't see any leaks at all. Cummins provided a real good gasket for this cover. That's all there is to it. I hope that was helpful. And if your vehicle has reached 67,500 miles, make sure you change this filter right away. It can save you a lot of headache. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.